Okay, we're behind the National Park Service headquarters at Big South Fork, right straight across from the East Rim Overlook Road, and we're gonna head off into the woods. There are 3 waterfalls and an arch down in here, and maybe some more stuff, just really close. So we're gonna check it out. We've got a little bit of limited time today, so come along with us. Yeah, there's where we parked, and we come down, and quickly it turns into just woods off trail. There's nothing to follow. We just gonna go down here and just hit this little stream drainage, and the first waterfall should be just right below it. Yeah, we just at the ridge just a few hundred yards, and we're dropped straight over the hill. And it already looks like right down in that way there are some bluffs, so it can't be far. Yeah, we've had rain on and off for the last week, or maybe 10 days, but I tell you, should be more water flow than that, but there isn't. But it's still pretty. And this is Triple Step Falls. And the reason it's called Triple Step Falls is step up there, step here, and it's got a longer drop down into there. We'll get down there in a minute and look at it. But it's just a shame there's not more water. We thought there would be today. Yeah, we got in below Triple Step Falls. There's quite a bit more water running than it looked like from the little trickles above it, but I guess a lot of that was probably flowing underneath the leaves. But yeah, that's not bad. It's pretty little falls. May have to venture back down in here someday again when there is some water. Moving on downstream, I mean not 50 yards from Triple Step Falls, and another beautiful rock house. Stream flowing right up beside it. Man, this is clear and pretty. Little miniature arch it looks like right there. Let's go see if I can't look at it. Okay, this thing just got one little place right after another. Little small waterfall right there. That thing is pretty, although maybe a foot and a half tall. Yeah, little falls like that deserves a look. Kind of cute, very cute, as a matter of fact. But we're gonna head on down around here, around the corner. It looks like it's gonna be neat too, but there's supposed to be a couple more pretty good sized falls around through here. Yeah, can't go wrong following this little stream, man. And just around the corner is Staircase Falls. And you can see why it's named that. Not a lot of water either, but we'll go get some closer ups. Yeah, you can definitely see the steps in that, so it's Staircase Falls. Man, it's kind of nice little area. here I don't even think has a name. And it's not got anything cut into the rocks up there, so I'd say it's fairly recent waterfall. It's just right the staircase fall. But there's a lot of good flow here, which means it'll flow into the creek and make the other waterfalls nicer too. Okay, we're gonna go up above this rock shelter and leave the stream a minute, because Copperhead Arch, good name, but it's called weather. We won't have to worry about no copperheads today. But anyway, it's supposed to be right up here. All right, we come up, circled up above a pretty good bluff line, and up in here sits Copperhead Arch. It's kind of a very neat little arch, probably 4 feet high, and a little water flow under it. I like it. Okay, I don't know how much you can see down in there, but man, that's a big drop. And the Copperhead Arch just sits up here above it all. Pretty neat little thing. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see with all that mountain laurel, but that's Copperhead Arch. And we're standing right on top of it. There's other part of Copperhead Arch, but we'll go look around under this cliff above it. Not going to go any farther. We'll just neat little place right above Copperhead Falls, or Copperhead Arch. Little drainage, I'd say. Real rainy weather, you'd see water flowing through here, but it's carved out of some neat patterns in this rock. I like it anyway. Okay, a little bit of water flow below Copperhead Arch. Try to figure out how to get down from here now. In our little jaunt out to Copperhead Arch a minute ago, we came around that. Went around and came back around that one. Made a way back down, so we're gonna try to get all the way down to the valley where I can hear some water flow. Should be Copperhead Falls. See what it looks like from above. Yeah, I know it's not going to show up much, but the falls we're going to try to get to is right there. You can see a little bit of splashing, but man, I'm 50, 60 feet up above it to get down, so it's awesome. Yeah, I just want to look around here a minute before I head down along the Copperhead Falls, because man, there's good water drip here. Probably be pretty if there were a lot more rain, but heck far. Look at all this. Pretty neat stuff. Okay, let's find a way down. Yeah, we're just up there a minute ago, made my way down. Turn around this way, and we are on the level to go see Copperhead Falls. It looks like it's going to be pretty cool. There she is. Had no idea this thing right here would be like it is. But this is a nice waterfall, you know? don't know what this be at full water flow, but it's pretty wide up there. Kind of a curtain. I wish the water flow was better, but it unfortunately is not. Copperhead Falls. Man, this thing's impressive. If there were a lot of water flowing, it'd be beautiful, but under a great big rock shelter. But anyway, we're gonna head on up the trail, or no trail, but we're gonna head on out of here. All right, to get out of here, scramble up these rocks, up to that ledge, and around, and it's pretty neat. Convenient way out of here. It was Copperhead Falls right there, and this little setup right here, rocks, rock getting up to that level, looks to me like easy, quick way out of here for some guys that might have distilled some spirits under that falls 100 years ago. But okay, just a little scramble up this and around the ledge, and we're out of here, I reckon. Huh. Not bad at all. Okay, we topped the little ridge right there, and all we need to do is follow it up back to where we're parked. But then we see this, and you can hear more water dripping. I mean, again, it's not going to be a great waterfall, but we're gonna go look at it anyway. Yeah, this is another waterfall. Again, not a lot of water flow. It's every bit of 30, 35 feet tall, and it doesn't even have a name that I know of. But it would be really pretty with some better water flow. You know, we came up not much more than a couple hundred yards from right down in there up on this flat, now this ridge, and we're going right back to where we're parked. It's, you know, it's crazy how much stuff is packed inside a little area like that, real close to the ranger stations. Hey guys, end of the day, heading home. I just wanted to thank you for coming along. We didn't go a whole lot of places and do a whole lot of things, but that would be a really nice hike if more water flow for the sheer number of waterfalls, and they were some nice ones. So I just want to say thanks for coming along with us, and hope you enjoyed it. So a lot more to come. Come on back to my channel. This is Papaw in the Woods. See ya.